we'll learn how to show your internet speed right on your Windows 10 or 11 taskbar. This guide should be straightforward and simple, so follow my steps and watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. To display your internet speed on the taskbar, start by heading to the Microsoft Store. We'll do that by searching for it in the search bar at the bottom left corner of our screen. Once there, we want to search for the application called Net Speed Meter by 0byte. The app should have this green logo and the company that made the app is called 0byte. Download and install this application. After the installation is finished, you can easily locate and launch Net Speed Meter by using the search function in your Start menu. When you open the application, you'll notice an overlay somewhere on your screen displaying your internet speed. Our next step is to add this internet speed overlay onto our taskbar, but we first have to make sure that our taskbar isn't set to automatically hide. We can do that by right-clicking on the taskbar and then select the Taskbar Settings option. In here, you want to disable or turn off the option for auto-hiding the taskbar. But if you didn't have this option enabled, just skip this step. When the auto-hide for the taskbar is off, we can right-click on our internet speed and then, to set the internet speed display to your taskbar, right-click the overlay and select the Keep in Taskbar option. And that's it! Feel free to leave any questions or comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.